Hello and welcome to the Space Between Ideas. I'm Blaine Gates. So here we are. Let's take a look. So remember, this is my MVP idea. The MVP idea, it has some things in it, like, okay, so there's some concept about level of effort. There's something about level of success, level of efficiency. And then on the right-hand side, we have, we want to put those numbers into a table so that we have like, what is our current level of effort? What is our current level of success? We talk about something called, force field analysis. But you can see there's all these text boxes and there's some input boxes and there's some navigation fields. Now, so as we start this, remember that when we talk about use cases for natural language programming and AI, we're currently using ChatGPT, Bing Chat, and something happened today with Google just moments ago. So now the first test in this challenge is that I'm using this concept. Here's the input boxes, or here's the content for the simplified model. Now, the simplified model is only one page. It's only level of effort. All right, so that's where we're starting. Now, I've been trying to figure out, so I used some kind of template, and I'm having a hard time getting these boxes to work. Also, yes, I was able to integrate with Google Sheets, but then I realized this doesn't send the content that the person enters into the inbox to the person who enters their email into that input box. And so in general, I would say that I'm starting to feel I'm starting to feel like my level of effort. I'm starting to feel what? How motivating or boring is this task? I would say it's relatively boring. How determined are you completed? I'm already ready to give up. Are you able to focus? No, I'm starting to get like I'm just not feeling it because, well, so we started with Google, just regular Google, which I think I can get rid of now. So they sent me to some documentation, and then they sent me to some, but the thing is I had to process all of this information, and that's the whole point of using these different AI tools. So I jumped into I jumped into Chat, Bing Chat, and I said, all right, so I need to do without code, add input boxes. What's that? Okay, this is what it is. Okay, you can go here. Well, it would be helpful if you can give me some videos. Okay, here's the videos. Well, I can't click that. Well, I can't give you a hyperlink. Why can't you give me a hyperlink? Look, on line 6, we have hyperlinks. And so it's like there's clickable links on line 6 of 20, and it's like, So that died. Now I am kind of curious if I put the same things in. So I jumped in here because I wanted to join their like, be part of this wait list, and then suddenly they kind of did add open W code editor, toolbox input box, desirable location, save button. So already you can see that the Bard gave me much better answers. Not sure if it's the right answer, but it's certainly better than Bing. Bing couldn't do anything at all. So, but the whole point is what? So if we go back to this idea, so I just created a playlist. It's called Use Cases for Marcelo. And Marcelo. And for that, like the whole point is that like the goals are no prompt engineering, right? So when I input ideas, I don't want to have like the perfect like prompt. And in addition to that, like I would appreciate if we could do auto hugging. So I want it to complete the task for me. Also, I want these things to remember previous work. So we used Bing Chat. It was Google. It seems like it's giving us a slightly better answer. But the thing is that I don't really want to use this without code because it doesn't have any natural language AI integration. So if it's not going to do any of this, like there's no prompt, so it's not helping me at all to complete the task, and it's not enabling me to use natural language to input things. So I'm just going to kick these guys out of the competition. So WO code, I think your business model is game over.